Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time it's an accessory video for the MI Band 2 slash HRX. So what I'm saying slash is because it can fit the MI Band 2, the original, which is for 1,799 in the MI store, which is currently not available. It will be in some time. And the HRX version, which is for 1,299 in the MI store, which is currently available. Now let's go ahead and see the bands. So I had unboxed this one before, long back when I bought the HRX band, but these are the two new colors which have come out. So the orange one and the green one. Now these are all fluorescent based, so these are more in your face kind of earphone. So sorry, in your face kind of band. So when you wear them and you go out, people will notice. So they are that bright. So in case you are not into bright stuff, then the band already comes with a black band. So that's fine. So let's go ahead, remove that and try putting the other one. Okay, so this is the blue band. Now the band does get dirty. It's a dirt magnet. It does get a little bit of dirt. I mean, every day I have to wash the band. So since it's waterproof, so it's not a big problem, but the blue one gives me that problem. Now I think that'll be the similar issue with these two also, which are the new ones, but let me just open them up. Now the pricing, it's for $199 in the MI store. I don't know anywhere else how much will it be. So it's really nice and bright. Hopefully you can see that color. Let me just put this in here. And yes, it can fit the MI Band HRX version and the regular MI Band. Let's see the other one. Now this is my favorite. Actually, I like the orange color. I have a lot of stuff which is of this color, so this band will go with that. Okay, so same length. Everything is same, just that the color has changed. Okay. So that's the other one. Okay, so a lot of people have this doubt about the band being original or not, because the band is slightly tilted to one side. Now, if you notice, even the MI band, the original one that comes with this, is a little tilted, but not that much. But in these bands, you will see that it tilts a lot. Let me just show you again. Now, when you're putting the band, always try to put it from the bottom, not from the top, because the top part, if that gets loose faster, the band can just pop out. So put it from the bottom. So you see this is also slightly tilted. Maybe put it in the blue one. Oopsie daisy. Okay, this is actually a little better. Okay, so even this is tilted, but little better than them. So the new ones are a little more tilted than before. Now let's put the original one. Okay, you see that even this is tilted. So when you look at them straight away, it doesn't look like they are tilted, but when you actually, that's why when you pull them, you see they go sideways. So that's normal. So all the people who have doubts with them being a little slanted or tilted towards one side, that's normal. That's the way it is intended to be. So it's original. There's nothing wrong with it. Now, if you're buying it from the MI store, then you don't have to be worried about it being duplicate. So it's for $299 MRP. I got it for $299 MRP. They haven't yet brought the price down. So that's it. So you now have officially 4 colors for the MI Band 2: green, orange, black, and blue. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.